lost all your excuses until when we cancel your contract. I'm telling you, government has lost its name in Kampala. Can't you see? Can you imagine they compare us to Rwanda? Can you imagine? Please, we want graders on the road. I want to see you work. That's all. You have paid your workers. The other time I told you I had not paid your workers. Do you remember? I fixed that information. They were complaining. Now you are bringing it out that actually you are not paying them. Now you have paid them and given them holiday. In touch with my president. All that I'm doing is following. Next time it is going to be him to come. I'm telling him. So let's see your work. Let me see what you are doing.
So we're going to meet at the junction near Makerere Road. They're doing the setting out works. So we're going to stop there.
Otherwise, we are being abused left, right.
So we shall go through several.
I know maybe sometimes you are not maybe on TV. Can't you see people telling us that we are doing nothing in Kampala? Because what I've discovered, all roads in Kampala have a contractor.
Yes.
All roads. So there is no way we can continue like this. China 18. Another 18. You ran away from Karamoja. You were given work in Karamoja and you ran away. Yes, China Railway 18. I remember they had given you work. You claimed there was insecurity. We cannot continue like this. Please, if you don't have capacity, say that I don't have capacity. We get other contractors to do the job. The other day you told me the graders have come to start work. Where are they? Members, please. You are making us look funny. There was a bishop the other day. They were clapping. Now where are you? Shall we continue like this?
We shall not continue like this. Right?
So unless you are telling every day you are going to go to contract. You cannot. That is what the Prime Minister is telling you is correct. You need to be watering this place. There is dust suppression. You must maintain a permanent team here. If you say you have certain equipment, you must be here.
No, look at that dust. Imagine if you were working from here. Suppose you are the one with the shop here. Can you work here? Under that dust.
And there's a contractual obligation of that. Mrs. Su, get the water.
I'm not supposed to. I will use my pen and signature. When I do that, never regret.
Wonders.
I'm being sincere to you. It's not going to be business as usual. I'm the type of person who does not want to quarrel. You are making me look funny. Maybe what we can do, we just call and go to say, but we say it is actually. You zali
bazimbira.
Akakati tebagala bazimbira. Balowooza mubba.
Tuzimbira ffe tetufaayo. Wamenza tuwa sente oluusi ne tutamala. Nze nanyini wo.
Onotukiza okuwa sente zimbire kizimbe kyongere
kampita n'omwami ndowooza naye mwangu. Kubanga nve nanyini wo wano.
Sente za kuzimba kizimbe.
Bakitaba ekyo muzeeyi nze omanyi?
Minister, Prime Minister.
Kakati esente eziriwo ku kkubo kuno eziriwo za kusasula bayita compensation waliwo za kwongerayo emabega wazimba mukubo sobole okuyisawo ekubo twagala libe nga litwala layini kubanga jamu nyingi wano layini 3 zijja kuba layini 3 ezitwala emmotoka banno gye bali olaba bali gye bali olisako okutweyongera mabega ogaana nga tuleeta abasirikale nga tukumenya yampaka naye mu mirembe tubadde twagala bajje bakuyambe batuzimbe emabega ate kakati ffe tujja kusasula bagenda kwongerayo ekizimbe kyo nga bwe kibadde nga bwolaba kiri kyongere mabega katujja kyongerayo kyapaka tujja kyongerayo kubanga wakizimba mu kkubo namaze dde okuwandikira IGG kubanga ngenda bubateeka ku bunkeeke namwesi mugikowe n'ogikowe namaze dde okuwandikira minisita w'e Kampala those are how many letters ate nga mpandise n'ebirala
oli ku gavumenti yonna
yes kakati kutwakuwaddeko assignment kamu olinze lwakuli